While China's policy of assimilation continues, Chinese propaganda has no end. Ainur Abdurrahim, who works as a civil servant in Houghton, wrote an article in the Xinjiang newspaper defending China's current policies. She calls the Chinese friends who have always been based in the region, and with whom they have always had a dialogue. To celebrate their festivals is supposed to have a long tradition. The president of the East Turkestan Information Center, Mr. Karakash, sharply criticizes her statements. There has never been a dialogue with the enemy and there will not be one. China, which occupies East Turkestan and deports the Aborigines to millions in prisons and uses such fairy tales, promotes the hatred, enmity between Chinese and Turks. What kind of dialogue should we talk about if China invades and tyrannies the country? Prince Salman, who visited China, indicated that he supports China's concentration camps in East Turkestan, which are used for assimilation and in which millions of Uyghur people are interned. The prince, who visited Beijing as a part of his Asian tour, met with Xi Jinping and his deputy, with whom he signed $28 billion worth of commercial contracts. He then said that he supported China's efforts on national rule, security and stability. In Aksu, East Turkestan, it was recorded how a Uyghur sings a Chinese opera. According to the Free Asia Radio, Uyghur families are punished with 100 to 500 yuan if they do not teach their children Chinese operas. The Indian government has sent 10,000 more soldiers to support the Jammu region in Kashmir. In Jammu, which is occupied by India, there was an attack on a convoy. As a result, about 200 people were arrested, including the leaders of the independence movement. Due to serious threats from Colombia, the Venezuelan government decided to close the border with Colombia. Deputy President Rodriguez announced this through his social media.